don't make these mistakes. Yes, this video is specially for the beginners. So among you who are the beginners can watch this video till the end. Because I guarantee that many of you are probably making these mistakes while speaking English. So please watch this video till the end and correct yourself. So without further ado, let's get started. Don't say I think it. It is totally wrong. It is grammatically wrong. You can say I think so. That is the correct one. Or if you want to add it after the verb think, then you can say like this, I think about it. Yes, you have to add a preposition about between think and it. So the correct sentence is I think about it, or simply I think so. Similarly, many of you are making same mistake in case of the verb hope. How? Let me explain. Many of you who are the beginners are probably making this mistake like this in case of verb hope. Similarly, think. Like many of you say, I hope it. That is grammatically incorrect. Instead, you can say, I hope so. Similarly, like I think so. Or if you want to say it after the verb hope, then you can say like this, I hope for it. Yes, you have to add a preposition for between hope and it. So the correct sentence is I hope for it, or I hope so. And if you watch this video till now, please comment below that I learned it. Okay, so that I can know that you are the passionate about learning English. And if this video is knowledgeable for you, please give a like, because it motivates me to upload a lot of video like this and to help you improve your spoken English. And if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel iconicindra so that you can improve your English with me. And if you have any problem regarding learning English, please feel free to DM me on Instagram. The user ID is iconicindra. So stay sound always and enjoy English learning.